the wheel and tire decontamination chemical kit. So these are all of the chemicals or products you'll need to decontaminate your wheels, whether they're brand new and you're getting them ready for a coating, or you live in a northern climate and you just got out of a pretty harsh winter season and you need to refresh your wheels. Terminator is for your tires to make sure you can strip them back to just the bare rubber to get a good application of tire dressing. Iron Buster obviously removes any of those deeply embedded iron deposits, a chemical decontamination for the wheels. Shine Supply Wise Guy is a super powerful and aggressive tire cleaner. Again, you would use this just before you use the Terminator to make sure those tires are nice and bare. And then the Kosh Chemie's Clay Bar is for those stubborn pieces of physical decontamination on the barrel of the rim or even of the face. So we curated and selected this package specifically for wheel decontamination, but there is a fair bit of overlap with the paint as well. You could use Iron Buster and Terminator on the paint for their respective purposes, tar removal and iron decontamination. Shine Supply Wise Guy is a pretty effective wheel cleaner if you dilute it properly, and then obviously the Clay Bar can be used on your paint as well. This kit goes really well in tandem with the wheel coating kit. That will include all the towels, coatings, and applicators that are obviously missing in this package. We're confident you'll find a lot of overlap and other applications for products in this kit, but for wheels and tires specifically, this goes really well in tandem with the wheel and tire coating kit.